Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. This is the TrafficJunky review tutorial from Crakrevenue, and they made this little review here. I thought it was really informative and good, so I kind of wanted to show it to you guys. You could find it over on Crakrevenue. It's on their blog. Okay, so what is TrafficJunky? TrafficJunky is basically it's a network. Okay, you could pause the video and read this, but I'm not going to read it. I'm gonna share insights from my own experience and just answer anything here and add to it, and then you could pause and also read it yourself if you want to. But TrafficJunky is basically a big traffic network for adult marketing. It's pretty much the biggest out there other than XOClick, but TrafficJunky has more targeting features and it's got more quality traffic, okay, compared to the biggest one, which is XOClick. Okay, how can I make money online with TrafficJunky? Easy. All you guys got to do is, you buy the traffic and then you promote really high converting offers. That's pretty much the basis of the whole strategy if you want to make money with TrafficJunky, all right? And they only have it's only a few sites that they have that they're getting traffic from, and it's like billions of impressions per day. Okay, it's insane. TrafficJunky review. They like it. I definitely like TrafficJunky. I've made a lot of money with TrafficJunky at this point. You can add funds into TrafficJunky super duper easily. There's multiple ways to add funds. You can do even cryptocurrency to add funds too. Okay, now these are their best features. Security and stability of their services. They've got optimization for like mobile ads, which is great. Frequency capping, everyone has that. Campaign schedule, everyone has that. Audience targeting, that's good. Retargeting is very powerful what they have. Basically, you could put a pixel on your landing page and retarget those who have been there before. You can even have a pixel in place for those who have purchased. You can literally retarget your buyers or people who become leads or anyone who's been on your site before. You can have follow-up advertising, and across all their sites, you can basically remarket to people, okay? It's very powerful stuff. I personally don't do it, if at all, but if you are doing some campaign and that would fall in line with your strategy, do it. Super powerful. That's impressive. Okay, TrafficJunky's limitations. Some popular keywords are very expensive, but most platforms don't even have keyword targeting when it comes down to adult marketing. So it's really cool. You can like target fetishes and stuff, or you could target specific any keyword. There's content for every keyword out there, okay? Even with these adult sites, so you can straight up target keywords. It's very powerful. But yeah, it is more expensive. They're largely focused on tube sites. TrafficJunky compares to XOClick. Here's the pros and cons. So some ad spots are costly, 100% CPM ads, which is cost per 1,000 ads. It's talking about TrafficJunky here. So there's massive of quality, by the way. TrafficJunky really does have insane quality in comparison to XOClick and a lot of other places you can buy adult advertising on, okay? Like, they really have high quality. It's great. Let's begin. How to start media buying with TrafficJunky. Okay, so it's very simple. You load in your funds and you start buying, guys, and keep it simple, stupid. Don't overthink it. Just promote good offers and just start driving traffic. You're gonna make money. Plan your campaign and create an effective strategy. Okay, so your strategy could be geared towards tier 3 country offers. Okay. There's like no competition basically. I mean, there's competition anywhere, but it's not like really competition. Okay, it's very low there. Wealthiest countries, most competitively targeted, of course. Okay, but there's a lot of money in these countries, tier 1. But there's a lot of opportunity as well over here and here. Which language will you choose for your campaign? Blah blah blah. These are the things you're gonna think about when you build it. You then set up your funnel. When you get your link, you can basically get banner ads, and you can freaking get funnels that they have made for you, okay, inside Crakrevenue. But I recommend use the funnels I provide inside the Done For You funnels. Like, they're the best funnels out there ever, okay? I have ones that are funnels specifically for every powerful sales letter ever made. I've got sales funnels in place and bridge pages in place for all the cognitive biases. I've got everything, okay? Create a new campaign on TrafficJunky. It's super simple, guys. Like, you don't need to overthink it. Just target whichever the group is, target the device type, If it is a cost per sale offer, just target freaking desktop. If it's a lead gen offer, mobile is good for that. Let's see anything else. And then whatever countries are allowed for the offer you're promoting, then do it. Naming your campaign, just keep it simple. You don't have to do a whole sentence. Secure your investment. Let's see, any potential damage. Okay. Yeah, let it just go and make sure that your campaign runs throughout the day and isn't like accelerated spending where it spends the whole budget in 2 seconds, like in 1 hour or whatever. So make sure that the campaign it can start immediately and then be distributed, but just make sure it's distributed. Some people make that mistake, so I just want to make sure you know. Then you simply create the ads. Usually you're going to do a banner ad. If you want to get more advanced, then do funnels where your ad is an in-stream ad over like the videos, okay? But typically you're going to do just banners like this, okay? And whenever you're testing anything new, these are definitely good freaking formats for the ads to do, these ones. But this is the most common, 300 by 250. Then you choose your bid, and when picking a bid for TrafficJunky, guys, it doesn't matter, but whatever your payout is for the offer you're promoting, if it pays out $10, do $30 a day times 3 days. You're going to spend you're going to spend $90. You're going to get enough data to then make changes, build a new campaign with what works, okay? You can straight up target these keywords and promote these exact dolls, okay? Submit your campaign for validation on TrafficJunky. It takes just a little while to get approved. Sometimes it's within the same day. Check your stats, then optimize, and do not give up, guys. As a pro super affiliate, I can tell you, you need to just keep testing. Like, you will literally hit on a home run. Sometimes your first time, but that's pretty rare. You're going to hit on a home run if you don't give up and you just keep testing new stuff, okay? I've had campaigns that hit high six figures and are still running and have hit that point. I have had a campaign that hit over 7 figures and then started to die down. One of the biggest campaigns out there, in my opinion. And it's just with a Crakrevenue offer. Nothing too crazy, okay? All it is just understanding traffic, understanding persuasion, understanding 25 biases, and understanding like how to pick good offers, how to find good offers, and knowing how to make good banner ads, all this stuff. So I hope this all makes sense. If you guys want to learn more, check out down below my adult courses. They're insanely valuable. If you want to spy on campaigns, I give you an adult spy tool. I give you my login and everything. It's only $50 a month. And you're saving like hundreds of dollars a month because if you were to go straight to them, then it would cost you that much. And then I got different services you can look out down below. And peace out, learn machines.